If you want to make a cup by coconut shell like this cup, watch this video. I will tell you what should you do. Hi my friends, welcome to the theplant. Today I want to show you how to make a cup with coconut shell. It's really interesting. Stay with me to show you what should you do. Okay, the first step is the skinning. We should skin the coconut to reach the shell, and then we should cut the shell. Okay, guys, after skinning, you should puncture the coconut holes. Actually, there are 3 holes. You should puncture 2 of them for evacuating the water. Always remember, 2 holes should be punctured. Otherwise, the water wouldn't get evacuated. Okay, after puncturing, it's time to evacuate this water. Okay, I evacuated the water. Now it's time to mark the coconut for cutting. Okay, it's good. As you see, it's a circle, and I should cut exactly from the line I have drawn. Okay guys, the coconut shell is cut. Now it's time to take out its fruit. Look at this white skin, it's fruit, and I should take it out with a spoon or whatever you want. The next step is sanding the shell. Look at here, with this sandpaper I sand the shell to make it completely flat in order to look beautiful. Okay, our cup needs handle and base. For creating that, I should cut this part of shell from here. This part will be for handle, and this part will be for base. This is the handle. I attached it to the cup. Actually, I glued it, and the final step is oil it up to make it shiny. Okay, I oil it up completely, and look how shiny it is, and it's really beautiful. You can drink water or whatever you want in this cup. And thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to push the subscribe button. Until the next video, goodbye.